Hi, welcome back to COVID cooking, home cooking during the lockdown. Today, as many of you asking chicken satay or satay in general, so therefore I will be cooking chicken satay. The chicken satay is very simple to do, but you need a grill. So I haven't got grill, but I find my way around. Okay, for the chicken satay, I'm using chicken legs. So you can use chicken breast or pork tenderloin or sirloin steaks for the beef. It's up to you, but this is the basic ingredient. Okay, for two person, that two portion is about 320 gram of meat in there. Here we got chopped up garlic, sliced lot, chopped up chili, and roughly chopped shallot. Also, in there is soy sauce. It is either dark or light soy sauce, it doesn't matter, and sweet soy sauce. If you haven't got sweet soy sauce, you can use honey, but make sure you adjust the recipe. And then for the peanut, instead of I'm frying and then grinding the peanuts, so I just use peanut butter. That's a tip for you. To make a quick satay sauce, just use peanut butter. Personally I like coarse peanut butter, but this time I only got the smooth one. That doesn't matter. Okay, to marinate the chicken, in there goes 1 dessert spoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 dessert spoon of sweet soy sauce. Give a good mix like that. In there go about 1 teaspoon garlic, just like that. Okay, and leave this for a minimum of 5 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes, because you don't want longer than 10 minutes, because the meat getting so dark when it's cooked. When you making satay, you need a skewer. This one is a bamboo skewer, so make sure before you stick the meat into a bamboo skewer, you dip in this skewer into the water. So therefore, when you grill the satay, the skewer won't be burned very quickly. So that's another tip for you. Okay, so now look at this. It's already marinated for more than 5 minutes, probably about 7 minutes. So what you need now is to skewer the meat like that. So this time I allow 1 stick, about 40 gram meat. Okay, here we are. So make you spread it out, because you don't, when you cook, you need to get the heat in between the meat. So the first skewer done. Alright folks, to make the bumbu satay, the peanut sauce, you need a hot pan. Add about 1-2 dessert spoon of cooking oil, and leave this to become hot. Okay, when the pan already hot, in goes the shallot. Give a good shake, just like that, and then add the garlic again. Give it a good shake. Okay, so that's nice and soft. Okay, when it's already slightly golden brown, and add the chopped chili goes in there. Okay, look at that. Just like that, and turn it off again. So you don't want to be burning this. Okay. So now the time to add 1, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm sure you can get peanut butter easily in there, just like that. Make sure it's break up and then mix with this. And turn the fire on. Okay, next goes 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce. So turn it down really low, like that, and add 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. I give a good mix. If it's too hot, just take off the heat and holding it like that, or put it down there, so you don't have to turn it on and off the fire. So that's already look nice, and what I have to do now is to taste it. Okay, I think that's not enough saltiness in there, so add another ½ tablespoon of soy sauce and another half of sweet soy sauce. Okay, that's what your color look like. Yeah, slightly dark, and this is very easy to do. Now that's already done. Okay, the last job is to add the roughly chopped shallot. Goes in there. Give it a good mix like that. Turn the fire off. Your peanut sauce ready, and you can put as aside now. Hi, in order for me to keep going making COVID cooking video series, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button, so if there is a new video you will get notified. Okay, I haven't got any grill, so I use the wok to cook the chicken satay. So those who have grill, just use your grill, or you can use your oven, but I prefer using my wok. So in there I put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, medium heat at the moment, and goes in the chicken satay like that. Okay, so when the chicken satay already in, turn the fire down really low, so it won't burn, because it contains a lot of sugar and the sweet soy sauce. And to stay away from the exploding hot oil, make sure you put a lid on. Okay, you need to turn the satay like that. Look at that color. So you don't want too hot to sound. Okay. So that's about 3 minutes, and put another lid on now. Okay, this is about in total of 6 minutes. So you can see the chicken cooking very nicely, so it's not burning. So that is ready to serve now. Okay, so just give another turn, so give another a minute to get the chicken slightly caramelized. Okay, this is already a minute. Turn the fire off. Now ready to serve. Put the chicken satay on a plate. like so. And get the sauce ready, the one we made earlier. Just like that. And of course, you need Indonesian garnish. That is a fried shallot. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you with the chicken satay with peanut sauce.